YouTube. Mr. King coming at you live from the studio. So what we got today is Fun Fact Friday. So as always, find an article, read it, and then be prepared to share what you learned in your bell work. And then once you're done with that on Friday, please hit turn in. My story is all about COVID. So COVID cases are spiking up all over the country. This is important because many people could die. This affects everyone because the US may go on total lockdown again, and it seems that many are already getting reinfected with the virus. So that's a little worrisome for a vaccine. My question was, when are we going to get a vaccine? And this reminds me of March 2020 when we went to lockdown. I also had a little graphic here. So you expect with like more testing, more positive tests, even if like cases aren't actually going up proportion wise, it's just more testing, but there's a little graph. So we did expect testing to go up we did expect cases to go up because of testing, but actually cases have gone up a lot more than would be expected from more testing. So that's bad. Announcements: genetics exam on Thursday and Halloween is tomorrow. Today you're going to be able to model how meiosis increases genetic variation. Just make sure you turn in your bell work for week 12 right here. And then everyone go to Thursday, meiosis notes and model. Yesterday, you should have made 4 gametes, or 4 eggs/sperm. 2 of the chromosomes are from your mom, 2 from your dad. This is before crossing over. Now we're going to do crossing over today. After you multiply, please write which trait is each chromosome carrying. Like for example, chromosome 1 and 2 are carrying the exact same stuff, so you could easily just copy and paste. Boom. Chromosome 3 and 4, these are the recessive traits. If you're not sure what the recessive traits are, look up here. It'll tell you. So like for example, straight hair is recessive, so for this one, chromosome 3, it should be straight hair. Boom. And then please finish up chromosomes 3 and 4. And then this is what crossing over is all about. Basically what happens is your mom and your dad's chromosomes will swap DNA. I have a little video to show you really briefly how it works. So this is how it works. The genes will swap. So crossing over will make 2 recombinant or 2 mixtures of chromosomes. So we're going to model it right here. So here are the original moms and the original dads, but crossing over creates 2 unique chromatids. 2 will have crossed over, and we're going to make those right here. So to do the first one, I'll do the first one with you. The second one is by yourself. So what you'll do, go to modeling parts on slide 8. How you do it, click on the red one first, and then to click on multiple stuff, hold down Control, and then copy both. So you click on the red one, hold down Control, so you can click on both, and then hit Control C to copy, and then Control V to paste. Boom. Scroll, drag it up, and now you should have the right letters for it. So there should be 2 traits up here and 2 traits from the blue down here. So we could easily do, click on the A, then the B, copy, then drag them over on this chromosome. And then these ones should be from your dad's recessive traits. So you want to get these letters. And then boom, that's 1 recombinant chromosome after crossing over. The other one, you should do it yourself. Okay, it should also be half red, half blue. Next, you're going to be saying which traits now are on the chromosomes. Which traits should be on the chromosomes now? Okay, so like chromosome 2 now has half dominant, half recessive. So you would say like chromosome 2 still has curly hair, it still has brown eyes, but now chromosome 2 has no dimples for recessive. Boom, right here. Oops, okay. Next, please answer these questions. How are the combinations of traits different before crossing over and after crossing over? Make sure to use an example of the traits in your answer. And then next, genetic variation refers to differences in genes and therefore genotypes and phenotypes. Is there more genetic variation before slide 13 or after crossing over on slide 16? Cite evidence from your slides to support your answer. Make sure to talk about combination of alleles. That's really important. Is combinations of alleles more unique or less unique after crossing over? That's my hint. Once you're done with that answer, please hit turn in, like my 10 people did in first period, and then take the attendance survey for Friday. Thank you so much, everyone, for staying with me the whole time. Have a great Halloween.